Real Life Mom here, and today we're talking bug catcher refills. So we have been using the Zevo bug catchers that you plug into the wall for about 6 to 8 months now, and this was our last little sticky trap, so it was time for replacements. Now I knew Zevo had replacements, but I also found this non-brand one and it had a lot of good reviews. So I decided to test it out. I'm gonna plug these in to 2 different Zevos. I have 2 in my kitchen. So I'll plug in one brand name, one non-brand name, and we're gonna see how they hold up after 3 days to test out if the non-brand can catch as many bugs as the Zevos. So in the meantime, let's take a look and make sure these fit the Zevo plugs. Okay, so we have our plug here with the Zevo trap, and here is an empty one. I'm gonna grab one of these non-brand ones. So they come in that big pack. These have this little pull here. So we're gonna pull this up and get quite sticky. Okay, so now it's ready to install. And we just pop it down in there. Okay, so obviously they look a little different, but they're nesting in there really well. Don't really see any issues there. They sit flush. So they actually fit the contraption well, so that is a good start. Now let's get this one plugged in. Okay, all lit up. In 3 days, we'll see how it does. So one of the things ways I can tell the difference is these have a little mosquito guy right there. That's the non-brand. And the Zevo has a little bug, but it's obviously in a V shape. So I'm gonna plug one of each in, and we're gonna see how it goes after 3 days. Okay, so let's get the Zevo refill in there. See, it clearly has the brand on it. Same little pull here. Okay, now this one is lit up and in place right by my compost bin. So one of our high bug areas.